Well, hello there. Today we have a Browning Buckmark 22 target pistol for you. It's got two 10-round magazines. It's got a 5-inch barrel. Has a really nice trigger. I'm not sure if they even make this one anymore, but so it's pretty old. That's a 22 target pistol. And then today, the ammo we'll be shooting is the good old Remington bucket of bullets. Oh my. Anyway, let's get you set up. Let's get a little shooting done. See if we can hit anything. Alright, let's zoom you out there. Got 20 and 30 yards today. So let's see how this goes. Start out at the 20-yard mark. Okay. That primer on that 22. Remington golden bullets. Alright, next one. Let's try it out. See how we do this time. Well, there we go, huh? Well, that seemed like that was nothing for this gun. Other than the Remington ammo, I might have some other ammo. Maybe we'll try that one out. Go 10 more rounds. We'll go out to 30 yards this time. Well, that seemed to work out pretty good. Not too bad at 30 yards. Let's load up one more. Yeah, the Browning Buckmarks, they can run you used between $250 up to new in around the $450 range, depending on the model. The Buckmark's been a pretty good series of guns for them. Here comes the wind. Alright, here we go. 10 more rounds. We'll do them at 30. Here we go. Browning Buckmark. 30 yards. Remington golden bullets. Alright. Well, okay. Not too bad. Well, there you have it. Browning Buckmark, target model, with a 5-inch barrel, 10-round magazine. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Keystone Survival.
That's what it's supposed to look like!